Ngidio banyak sondur lang bat kipat ba kijongi.
Subha Kinwan comes in here. All the candidates are requested to come this side, please.
Pat ya baro ki kandidat skin skau bahaban yang nikmat kena menginyo banyak sondur lang ha kenika step ke bamenta. Di kipat ba kibadan ni kilama kin skau bahaban ra sejrong bat ngin ra rui ki kti ki jongi sejrong. Ngikar ban skam ba ke parti ke jongi kan yo ya ke jingjap bat ngin yo ya ke borsan syar house na barajar ar paulai ha kakot vote for saya sen vote for long live north east south west
Wat tang badia syong lang badia tialang rom long shu. Bat kikun biat kikti bat ilok mlong shu. Ubaduk preston le bopli shis nem siteng. Bat ilok shu ile de ka flying kiss. Le sugumno. Bat kikun ro flying kiss. Handre nga ong yapi ka NPP led government. Ngi klem tia ngi klem dem. Ban ai ka ching syakri yiki pajba. Jong assembly. Kiong. Pile kumno. Nakabenta jong kini. Kenang begin pa. Syakayeng kasem joki haki benta baper. Jong kari.
Ya kali karai kapat katun syari. Kasih si pati kari kacin sarong kadai yangi.
This 2023 election is a very crucial election for us. 50 years of the statehood have gone. And in the last 50 years, there are many things that we may have achieved. The question is, where do we go from now? How do we move forward? And where do we take our state?